Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Today's lecture of ICT is from your chapter number 1, Internet. Open your books in front of you while watching the video. So first of all, in this chapter, in this lesson, I'll be giving you some concepts about how Internet works with your computer. So there is this term ISP, Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider is a company or an organization which provides access to the internet. Some methods of providing these service are through dial-up, telephone cable, or high-speed wireless connectivity. For example, Virgin Media white cable. Just like we have two ways to connect internet to the computer. First of all, this company provides us the internet, and it provides us in two ways. First of all, it's telephone cable. You have a cable, you have to connect the cable with your computer and internet starts working on your computer. But then again, we have high-speed wireless connectivity. We have modems like devices in our houses which work with the internet, and we can run internet on our computer, phone, tablets, PC, on anything we want. So these are the two ways provided by ISP. Then homepage. What is a homepage? Whenever you open a website, the first page which appears in front of you is a home page from which you can go and see other pages, other contents and links. Then we have hyperlinks. What are hyperlinks? A hyperlink, a web page consists of the text, picture, sounds and hyperlinks. When we go to the web page and I told you that we want to access another pages through this website or to this one home page, we have hyperlinks to open different tabs. Hyperlinks can be in the form of a picture. You click them and you go to another page, another link, or it can be a text, it can be content, it can be anything. I'll be showing you the picture of a hyperlink as well in the next slide. Then we have this example. For example, this is the home page of International Islamic University, Islamabad, and there are hyperlinks on the top. You have a row of hyperlinks in which we have home, about, IIU, faculties mean the departments, institutes, academics and centers, QEC, libraries, research journals, ORIC, schools, hostels, contacts, al-akhbar. So basically these tabs, these hyperlinks will lead us to another page of about IIU. If you want to look at the detail about the hostels, you will click on the hyperlink of hostels. Another web page will appear which will give you the details about the hostels of IIUI. If you want to know about the schools of IIUI, you will click on the hyperlink of schools and it will lead you to the tab where we can have a detailed review about the schools. Like a home page is something which has so many different tabs and links to access. This is just an introductory part. To go in detail, we have hyperlinks, we follow the hyperlinks, and then we have the information which we actually want. Then coming back to Uniform Resource Locator, URL. If you want to open the website of IIUI, you have to get a URL which is www.iiu.edu.pk or www.google.com. This URL starts from http:// as well. This is a code. After this code, we have a URL. For example, this is the address. You can say the address to go to a website. You should have this link. If you don't have this link, if you don't know about it, you cannot locate the website. Then connecting to the internet. What are the ways to connect the internet? A computer, an internet service provider, modem, a telephone line or cable, internet access software. These are the 5 things to which we can connect the internet. Number 1, we know about the modem, we know about the ISP. It comes to the definition of a modem. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. It allows your computer to use the telephone line to get connected with another computer. Modem converts the digital signals into analog signals and vice versa. Modems are basically types of internal modem, external modem. These modems, like the way you have a device in your house fixed somewhere with electronic connectivity, it provides you internet. It converts the analog signal, digital signals which are coming back from the internet service provider. It converts it into analog signals and then the signals enter your computer and you can start using the internet. The two types of modems are internal and external. First of all, internal. An internal modem is a device fixed inside the computer. For example, dial-up modem and Wi-Fi are internal modems. Dial-up modems operates over a telephone line. It requires a network access, telephone number, username, and password to make a connection. In dial-up modem, dial is from telephone. You have to get a telephone connection from which another wire is connected, which gives access to your internet. For example, PDCL. We have a telephone and then we have a modem connected with the telephone so we can access internet. If our phone is properly not working, eventually the internet will stop working on the same time. So this is dial-up modem connection. Then wireless is a popular technology used to access the internet without telephone line. You don't need to have a telephone line, don't need to have cables. This is a wireless process using radio waves. The waves are present in the environment around us. For example, data card or USB interface. Data card or USB interface are helpful to use the internet, but then we don't have to get a telephone number or cables or anything else. After this, external modem. External modem connects to the computer via a cable or is placed on your desktop. Now, this is the external modem in which you don't have to get a telephone or something. You just have a long cable which is connected to your computer. But then you cannot use the internet without your computer like in something else, because the external modem is only connected to one single computer at a time, and then you can use internet on it if it's not a server. External modems are more expensive than internal modems. Internet access software is essential to set up. Now, how do we use internet through internet access softwares? They are essential setups in your computer, like just in so many other softwares you have in your PC, you have this one as well. For example, the two main components of the software are dialer software, TCP IP network. Then a dialer. A dialer tells the modem to dial a telephone or connection number so as it gets recognized by ISP. Now, a dialer is important because a dialer in your software will allow the phone connectivity and other requirements to access your computer. Then a TCP IP transmission control protocol enables the computer to communicate with one another. Then you have homework to do. Do multiple choice questions on page number 7. Find out the answers please by your own self. Do exercise A, B and G on your book. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.